In today's videos, we are going to see about how to find the official company in LinkedIn and how to apply for a post or find the job post in LinkedIn that really hiring from that companies or adding the interest comment is important or necessary. Like that, we are going to see today. And welcome to AB and Sarah vlog. Now we are going to see about the company profile details and the company research thing here. In LinkedIn, mostly we have the options like this as a easy apply and apply with the link option. Okay, so we have them, and to find whether the company is genuine or not, you need to go to this page which is their official profile of the company in LinkedIn. Most of the people have the LinkedIn profile and most of them don't have. So you need to be careful about it and you need to click their visit website. Again, I'm telling you, if they don't have the career page means you have to go down to their helpline thing here to ask whether you are really hiring or not. Like that, you need to ask, and you also need to clear out that whether they are really hiring for the job only or they are looking for students who can learn or get in courses with the payment from the job for the candidates from the candidates like that. Now will go to the career page where we will find the genuine thing. They are asking us to send these applications with the content of uh, how you will work and focus like that with your own wording, or if you don't have any proper idea about your own wording means you can use ChatGPT and modify it with your own language and send your resume by attaching it along the email itself, so it will be useful for you. Most of the influencer in online are saying that we need to Google search like this and do something. Sometimes it will come and you need to go to this post thing to know what are who are the managers hiring peoples like that. So we will go to the post thing here. Here we find these people here where we can see the person explained about the company name in himself and also attached the official company brand name as their email address. They didn't put any Gmail or Yahoo or any other Joho like the things, but they put official name of their company in the email address, so it is genuine only. And you can also find their name in online itself, which I will show you. So you will find their website here. I think it is a starter website. That's why they didn't have any business profile in the another place which is empty here. So you need to verify it by calling them or mailing them like this. And for the second one, I will show you. Most of the candidates are only posting interested in every platform where they are saying we will give this job if you applied here like that. And you need to check the person who is posting about these type of thing. You need to find that the person is really working there but he says he's a student here. And also you need to find it's a genuine one, whether they attached the company email along here. They didn't attach it here, or the company website no attachment here, only the LinkedIn job post profile is attached here. So you need to find that whether this company is genuine or not. For that you will need to open it, and they say no longer we are to applying or accepting candidates like that. And we need to go here to find their official website page, and we will see the careers. Sometimes we won't find the career in this type of things, and it's totally a empty one, it is totally empty one. Even we find this career page, it's totally empty one. So you need to be careful and verify the person who was posting this message instead of only submitting interest in the comment, because you need to ask those person whether you are really hiring from this company itself, what are the other purpose like that, you need to ask instead of adding only interest in the comment section. It will be easy for you to understand what, whether they are really genuine or a fake, like that you can know. In my previous video and this video, I want to mention that LinkedIn is not only the reason for this uh, consulting or education thing based fake jobs thing here, but even in North Korea also it is happening. It is not the job portal fault, but it is the fault of the recruiters and the companies that posting their job regarding things there in career page or in the job portals. So the candidates must verify carefully. In North Korea, one time I got a message, email address from people like, we are from North Korea, India. Mention this North Korea, India, and we are hiring, but also you need to pay like this, like this, like this. They said, but after reviewing with the North Korea help, realized that this northkorea.com is the official one, not the North Korea India. If you get the North Korea India means it is a fake one, so don't register or give money and lose it. Okay, so be careful in them. And the Glassdoor and the Indeed are same company style, because while applying for a job in there, I realized that the both form applying content are same to same there. So it is a similar one and friends actually. Indeed and Glassdoor are similar in applying for a job. Okay, so in this also you may get apply with the link button, so it will be easy for you to go to the official page or another job portal to apply for the job itself, even in Indeed also. The favorite one of mine is hiring cafe. In the hiring cafe, I mostly go into the career page of them company, and we also find a lot of things here, but some are not aligned properly. But it is good for beginners also and good for experienced people also to get into their career page and apply from here, like that. Only it will go to the career page and ATS page. Example, I clicked on previous one, which is this one, the internship thing here, and we found this spring internship like this. This is also a official announcement from the company website. Okay, so we need to enter all of this. In my previous applications from yesterday, I actually enter the content like 0 1 for this type of questions, but later today I realized it is too wrong to put like that. If you are expecting high salary or negligible salary, something like that, means you need to write in paragraph, unless the content input box itself asking for 0 1. If the content box didn't ask you to enter the 0 1, means you have to write a full sentence. That's what we are going to see soon as an example for email one also. Sometimes you will get a long input box like this to write your explanation for this sudden questions here. Even for sending email address with your attached resume or CV also, you need to write a long passage, like paragraph here. Okay, so to write about it or get samples, you mostly go for Google to search about it. Sometimes it may not be clear, so you can use ChatGPT or Perplexity like I'm using here. In this, I asked this Perplexity AI to write a email for software engineer intern with attached resume or CV, and under the 200 words. Okay, you can also modify it at 300, 400. It's your choice also. Okay, after that, you will find a sample like this, and don't copy and paste these contents there. You need to modify the name, your class, your studies, your skills, and your qualifications in this thing, and then apply via your email. For this questions also, you need to modify the process here. It will only give you the sample, not the full content. You need to do your own process and changes here. Okay, if you are copy and pasting is it is one of the issue. So be careful when you are doing this type of copy pasting, and make modify the content here. Okay, so it will be easy for you if they are suddenly asking these type of questions and you are in emergency to apply this form here. Okay, that's what I want to say. Thank you.